You're tired of watching your money sit there doing absolutely nothing. Or worse, you're scared that if you actually try investing, you'll pick the wrong thing, lose money, or mess up your future. Most people's biggest financial mistake isn't losing money. It's not investing early enough. But what if I told you there's an account designed to help beginners grow their money tax-free, even if you start small? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what a Roth IRA is, how it works, and how to start one even if you've never invested before. And before we jump into step one, there's one common Roth IRA mistake that quietly costs people over $10,000 in lost growth. Stick around because we'll break that down later. A Roth IRA is simply a special retirement account where you put money in, it grows tax-free, and you withdraw it tax-free in retirement. Think of it like a greenhouse for your money. Everything you plant inside grows without taxes eating the leaves. The most important part is this: tax-free. Not tax later, not tax deferred, tax-free forever. But here's something most beginners get confused about. A Roth IRA is not an investment by itself. It's an account that holds your investments, things like stocks, ETFs, and index funds. Just like a fridge doesn't make food, it stores food. A Roth IRA doesn't create investments, it stores them. You open the Roth IRA, then choose what to invest in. Now let's talk about why the Roth IRA is so powerful. It has three major superpowers. Superpower number one, tax-free growth. If you put in $6,000 every year starting at age 25 and earn an average 8% return, that money can grow to over $1.2 million by retirement, and you owe zero tax on withdrawals. Zero. Everyone else pays taxes on their investment gains. Roth IRA investors don't. Superpower number two, you already paid taxes. The money you put in is after-tax money, meaning the IRS already took its share. Because of that, they let everything else grow tax-free. This is why the Roth IRA is perfect for beginners, young professionals, freelancers, and anyone who expects to earn more later in life. Superpower number three, you can withdraw your contributions anytime. Most people don't know this. A Roth IRA isn't locked away until you're 60. Your contributions, the money you put in, can be withdrawn without taxes or penalties. So if you invest $6,000 and it grows to $8,000, the extra $2,000 must stay until retirement, but the original $6,000 is yours to take out anytime. It's flexible, beginner-friendly, and safe. Remember at the beginning when we talked about your money sitting and doing nothing? This is where that changes. You now understand the power of the Roth IRA, so let's turn it into an actionable plan. Opening a Roth IRA is shockingly simple. It takes just 4 steps. Step 1 is choosing a brokerage. Popular options are Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, or M1 Finance. Pick whichever feels easiest for you. Step 2 is opening the account. You'll fill in your basic details: name, address, social security number, employment info. It usually takes 5 minutes. Step 3 is funding the account. You transfer money from your bank. You can deposit one lump sum or smaller weekly or monthly amounts. Even $20 a week grows into 6 figures over time. Step 4 is the most important one: investing the money. This is where people freeze, but it's simple. Beginners often start with an S&P 500 index fund like VOO, SPY, or FXAIX, or a total market fund like VTI or FSKAAX. These give you exposure to hundreds or thousands of companies in one click. Once you hit buy, your money officially starts working for you instead of sitting idle. Now let's talk about the $10,000 mistake I mentioned earlier. The biggest Roth IRA mistake is not investing the money once it's inside the account. Many beginners accidentally leave their contributions sitting in cash. That $6,000 just sits there, not growing, not compounding. Over just 5 years, this mistake alone can cost you more than $10,000 in future tax-free growth. So always check that your money is actually invested. If you remember only one thing from this entire video, let it be this: the Roth IRA's superpower is tax-free growth. Now that you understand the why, let's move into the what now. If you want to stop guessing and start building your financial legacy, hit subscribe for more Networth Inc.'s wealth building blueprints every week.